My name is Professor Rakgetse John Mokwena. I'm a member of University of South Africa in the Department of Police Practice. I'm going to present the article titled Exploration of Crime Scene Measurements, Forensic Photogrammetry as a Technology Embracement. This one is dealing with the embracing technology in capturing the crime scene. The table of content consists of introduction, purpose of the article, methodology, discussion, findings, recommendations, and conclusion. That is the framework of this article. In the introduction, traditional measurements approaches such as tape, laser, distance, meter, and total section has been widely used. As such, when using the tape, you need two people to use that, and then even is time consuming, yet they are often time consuming, labor intensive, and susceptible to human error, according to Neither and Talley 2017. As forensic practice evolves, forensic photogrammetry has emerged as a technological advanced alternative that enables the extraction of precise spatial measurements on and the creation of detailed three-dimension reconstruction from multiple overlapping photographs. The purpose of this article is to emphasize the application of forensic photogrammetry in crime scene measurement as a reliable tool. This gives forensic investigation precise, accurate measurements of the crime scene and is undisputable in court. In this research, the researcher have opted for non-probability sampling and also use a qualitative research approach. And the samples of this articles was from the researcher's PhD, the same as that one, whereby 6 participants were selected judgmentally from the United States of America and from Germany between 2017 and 2014. The functions of the first officer at the crime scene. The first officer at the crime scene should protect the crime scene, should cordon the crime scene, should also take control of the crime scene so that each and every exhibit and physical evidence are protected and all the members or individuals at the crime scene are safe. That is the summary of the first member at the crime scene. Method of crime scene search. In these articles, I elaborated several methods of the crime scene search. Some method can correlate, some can corroborate with each other. Line or street search method, grid search method, spatial search method, quadrant or zone search method, wheel or ray search method, point-to-point search method, zone combination techniques search method. Investigation diary of search method at the crime scene should be documented. The investigators should make sure that they make a note into their investigation diary about which method they have used to search the crime scene. That will be very much important at the later stage in court. Documentation of the search method, recording the rationale for the search method also should be documented. Why you choose specific search method. Details of the personnel and its role and their role on the crime scene. Each and every member who are entering the crime scene, they should have complete a record whereby their names and their roles is clearly stated in that record. Also, documentation of evidence found during the search. You must identify and document the evidence found at the crime scene very well. Environmental and scene conditions should be clearly stated so that anyone who was not at the crime scene can be able to see what was happening at the crime scene when, and the condition of weather and all other effects. Importance of maintaining the diary. Diary is maintained for various reasons, because usually it takes several years, if not months, for a case to be completed and to be presented in court. Therefore, your mind, your memory will be relying on the diary of information you have recorded on. Types of crime scene capturing method. You can make a statement as a written document. Crime scene forensic photography and forensic videography is the other method of documenting the crime scene. Even the sketching and the manual measurements, that is the other method of documenting the crime scene. Thereafter, forensic photogrammetry can assist, can come to hands when coming to crime scene measurements. And then they will help you at a later stage to construct measurement from those photographs or videos you collected from the crime scene. Forensic digital mapping and total station survey is also other method of capturing the crime scene. 3-dimension crime scene scanning, accurate measurement from fixed reference points, integration of sketch plan. Sketch plan is very much important because it should be in your file, so that when the other technology fails you, you can rely on the sketch plan. Legal reconstructive value of photogrammetry of sketch plan can also be of utmost importance. Findings. Indeed, literature and empirical study confirmed the technological enhancement of crime scene measurement through the use of forensic photogrammetry. This technology should be used so that it can enhance forensic investigation. The findings did not reveal any significant degree of variation between literature and the participants. That means the literature and the participants have a common objective. They agree that photogrammetry and the crime scene measurements are important. 2 additional third methods discovered, namely inward and outwards, were discovered during the interviews. Field sketch provides special context, as I have already stated that the sketch should be captured for in case technology fails, because technology works otherwise. Field sketch should be clear enough that not even the judiciary would be able to interpret it. That means that your sketch should be clear, concise, and to the point, so that the judiciary will be able to interpret it. Forensic photogrammetry gives accurate measurements. This is not an argument. This is findings from the participants and the literature. Recommendations. Cross-reference sketch items with photos, numbers, and evidence should be emphasized. Invest in technology is very much important, so that the fourth industrial revolution should not catch up on us as we are neglecting the one leg of technology. Train forensic investigators on the use of photogrammetry, because currently we rely on international training for this course. Allow all members to have basic crime scene management courses to ensure compliance. Because the first member at the crime scene, they should have a basic crime scene management so that they can be able to comply with the crime scene management, not photogrammetry, crime scene management specifically, so that we know that everybody across the board who attend the crime scene first should know the importance of crime scene management. Upgrade the software frequently, because globally the software are developed, and then the developing technology need to be upgraded often so that we are not catch up behind using the old outdated software. In conclusion, the choice of measurement method at the crime scene is determined by the layout, whether indoor or outdoor. You can use one of the search methods, which is suitable for that specific layout of the crime scene. Scale and complexity of the scene also play a role, as well as the type of evidence present. Each method ranges from traditional baseline triangulation techniques to modern digital and photogrammetric approaches, serves to ensure that spatial relationships are accurately recorded and validated, also reproducible. That is conclusion in short. I thank you very much.